guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make honey ginger tofu with veggie stir fry. Cut up 3 garlic cloves and set them aside. Now we're going to take some extra firm tofu and cut them into small cubes. In a medium saucepan, you want to heat your oil up on low to medium heat. Add your tofu and you're going to cook those until they turn golden brown. Once tofu has finished cooking, we're going to take them out of the pan and set them aside. Next, we're going to make the sauce for the stir fry. We're going to use some soy sauce. I'm going to put a decent amount in there. Next, we're going to add in our garlic, some ginger, some honey. I'm going to mix this up. After mixing this up, we're going to add in some water. Stir this up. We're going to add in our vegetables that were pre-steamed. Now we're going to add in our tofu. We're going to mix this up very well. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Very simple and easy. Honey ginger tofu with stir fry. Thanks for watching. God bless.